Hey guys, Steve from Kawi Performance. Do you have an STX 160? Well, this is something that you need to take a look at. This is the stock fuel bag, and this is the KP fuel bag. If you do have fuel issues or hesitation or stumbling at high RPM, this very much could be your issue. Upgrading to this premium bag will solve a lot of problems. Our fuel bag won't get clogged like this and will flow 2.5 times more. This is a very important, reliable upgrade for this machine. Look at this tiny fuel pump that Kawasaki used on the STX 160. This is what they used on all the older models. This is in the old 15F, which really held up pretty well and it flows plenty of fuel. On the STX 160, Kawasaki went with a very tiny fuel pump which struggles to keep up with fuel demand at high RPM. The biggest issue we do have with the STX 160 is the fuel pump. While it is a very nice design to have a plastic fuel pump, they did change some of the internals. Here at KP, we have developed a fuel pump that flows significantly more fuel in the same size pump that Kawasaki uses, so that you do not starve for fuel at high RPM or demanding applications. The STX 160 is a great platform. With these two upgrades here, it will really prevent the common issues that you will have with this machine. Product links are in the description below. Please like and subscribe to our channel.